Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if you received we couldn't update system reserved partition in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So in case if you are trying to install Windows 11 or upgrade it, you might receive we couldn't update the system reserved partition error like this, and sometimes the error contains this PC doesn't meet Windows 11 system requirements. The reason behind this error is the system reserved partition, which does not have any free space and due to which you cannot perform the upgrade or installation. And in this video we will see how you can fix it. So first of all, you need to make sure that the system reserved partition has enough free space, and for this we will open disk management. Right click on the start button and select disk management. In the disk management window, locate your system reserved partition. You can identify this with the help of status where it is mentioned EFI system partition. Here you can see that on this system it has 100% free space, but if you are facing this problem, you might have this partition with very less free space, and that is the root cause for this problem. So all you need to do is just make a free space in this EFI system partition, and that should help you to resolve this issue. So here is the solution. Now making free space in this EFI system partition is a very tricky task. For this we will open command prompt as administrator. If you are performing the upgrade, you can open command prompt like this as shown in this video. And in case if you are trying to install Windows 11, you have to use the recovery mode command prompt. When the command prompt window opens, just paste this command from the video description, and that is mountvol space column space /s, and this will assign a drive letter Y to system reserved partition. Now next we will access this assigned drive or the system reserved partition by typing Y column and press the enter key. Again we are now in the system reserved partition, so you have to move to the fonts folder by pasting this command and then press the enter key. When you are in the fonts folder, you have to paste another command from the video description to delete the unnecessary fonts from system reserved partition, and that will help you to make some free space. As a confirmation, you will be asked whether you want to delete the fonts or not. Just type Y and press the enter key. And here you can see that the command completed without any errors. That means the unnecessary fonts has been deleted from the system reserved partition and the free space should be there now. So in this way, by deleting the unnecessary fonts from system reserved partition, you can resolve this problem. In case if you still face this issue, do let me know your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.